Hey guys, Troy and Rachel here, Titan Offroad, who you might have seen in one of our earlier videos where I was asking for suggestions on what do you get a buddy that built a new badass shop for a shop warming gift. So we picked those up. We're gonna head out there now. My buddy Shawn, his wife Rachel are with. They're following us now, and we're gonna go check this place out. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too, so make sure to click subscribe, like the video so we show up in your feed. See you soon. You grabbed the sticker bin, right?
Ooh. Yeah. All Mara's idea. Well, she asked me, and I said, anytime she wants to cook ribs, I say yes, because.
Damn.
Thanks for stopping by.
Absolutely. We wanted to see the place. We're excited for you.
Well, thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah. Take
Excited
care.
to check it out. Feed men.
I like California, but I have lived in Wisconsin for many years, and then went to California when I retired, and then came back because I was told that if you have a heated garage and someone will plow the snow, winter's no problem. Right? Yeah. Never gets to plow snow.
Well, I really appreciate you guys stopping by. This has been fun.
It's been a blast, man. I'm glad you had us. This is so cool. I'm so happy for you guys. It's gorgeous. You did a really good job. I'm excited to see how the projects turned out here.
Yeah, me too.
Come back and help with some of the projects.
Absolutely down for that.
Yeah.
I love the wrench. Anytime you make ribs, you call. You call. I don't even know if you'll need to call. The signal, smoke signal. I'll just the fat guy knows sets will be working. But my wife and I brought you guys some selfie off. So I wanted to start with some apparel.
Wonderful.
Got you a couple
So we got
hats.
some hats, some Titan hats.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you like hats.
Got a sweatshirt. Ooh.
Can't not have hoodies.
Yes.
Got
It is Minnesota.
It's
it is
Minnesota,
Wisconsin.
it gets cold.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
It is frigid out here.
Look at that.
And we also got you a couple t-shirts. Ooh.
Excellent. We like t-shirts. Yeah. Wonderful. Well, we got some stuff for you too. Here's some of our shirts with our
Awesome.
newer logo. We may stick with it, we may
That's
not.
very cool.
Jury's not in yet on that.
Oh, I dig it.
I love it.
Oh, check out the
And the
back.
record's got, yep, it's got the record on the back.
That's awesome. That is super cool, Eric. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Hope we got some of the right sizes there.
I'm certain. That one looked like the big boy shirt. I've got it. We watched the video of some things going on the wall, so we thought we'd add a little to that.
Okay. What do we got here?
reminded us of the wrecker.
That's a little straighter than the door on the wrecker.
More straighter.
It is definitely a little straighter.
This ain't caved in.
It has a mirror too.
Take some notes.
That'll look awesome.
I think. Yeah, and I think there's something else in the
Something
bottom.
else too?
Yeah, no shop is complete without one of those.
Uh-oh. Hey, that's kind of heavy. What do we got here?
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, a Route 66
Bottle opener.
bottle opener. Oh, Blake's gonna love you for that one. He can never find his bottle opener. He's got 100 of them, but he can never find any one of them.
Me either. We've got the same one in our shop.
Perfect. Absolutely. You bet.
We know your whole teams, and you guys all are volunteer, and you guys give a lot to the sport here in Minnesota, Wisconsin, and in the upper Midwest, and so we just thought we would bring some stuff for their rigs too.
Oh, they'll love you for that.
Yeah, yeah.
That is fantastic.
So start with this guy here. So this is one of my favorites actually. I still agree, key package welfare.
Yes, you do.
So this is a trailer hitch step / skid plate. And
Oh. Yep, that's gonna work really good in Toby.
yeah.
We don't usually using the pintle hitch all the time anymore.
Well, that's what we see a lot of people do. They either leave their hitch in or they leave something in to keep the Jeep from catching damage. And quite frankly, it doesn't look as nice as that does.
No.
And Blake can still plow dirt like he did at one of the events.
Yeah,
He can still
absolutely.
plow dirt like he's in Texas.
Well, and step up into the bed of the truck's really nice too, so you can just
Yeah.
get something in and out of it quick. Yeah.
Yeah, without opening the tailgate
Got it.
and all of that. Oh, he'll love that. That's wonderful.
I understand in the woods it's really tight spaces and get
It does get tight. We were on a trail just recently in one of our videos. Blake had to do what, about a 30-point turn on one of the corners. He was playing Austin Powers in the tunnel.
Well, that's kind of one of the reasons I like these. So they serve a lot of purposes. So I'll just show you what they are.
Okay.
These are called dual door hinge steps for you.
Okay.
For your team. I left him to struggle, so I don't.
Oh.
So these are called a dual door hinge step.
Okay.
So first, if he ever decides to do a roof rack, you got 2 steps and get up to the top. And let me tell you, this will allow him to press up against a tree, keep trees off the door.
Well, this helps the Jeep stand off from some of the obstacles on the trail.
Thank you. That's exactly what it does. It works fantastic. Mine is taking a massive beating.
Chris is gonna love that.
Yes.
For sure.
You know, we talked a little bit about the last time we saw you. Be kind of cool to do a little bit of a partnership. So the last thing I brought you, another thing to hang on the wall.
Another thing to hang on?
Yeah, it's a little bigger.
Wonderful.
It's a little bigger.
A little bigger?
You've got a lot of space to fill.
We do have a lot of space to fill, and I'm hoping that as we fill that space, we can cut down on the echo a little bit.
All right, here's that last thing we got you.
Oh.
A bat?
A bat. A big bat. It's a stick so you guys can beat up Eric.
Wow.
Keep going, keep going.
Keep going, keep going.
There it is.
Oh, that's gonna look wonderful on the wall.
Yeah. Notice the color we actually chose. Does it look a little familiar?
Looks a little familiar. Yeah, that looks a lot like the record.
This is pretty big. Where are we gonna stick it?
Well, we're gonna put this up on the wall. Probably that wall over there.
So you guys are putting this up on the wall.
Yes?
Mara's like, I'm not doing this all by myself.
We can do that, absolutely. So, we got a promo code now for Titan products. Use PSF 10.
Yep.
We'll have a link in the description.
Yeah, absolutely.
You
Awesome.
bet. Sounds like a good partnership to me.
I'm excited, Eric. I really am. I'm so excited you had us out.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Let's put this up on the wall here. There
makes it look like it's 6 by 3. So wrecker's so damn big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, looks good.
Put it by the 4x4 sign.
Or over there?
Or by the GMC tailgate.
So that's what reminded me of it too. Is when I watched that video.
No, that's not gonna be enough to hold it. You gotta get more. The only problem with the magnets is you either gotta have a sight small enough to go in between the ribs, or you gotta make sure the magnets are on the ribs. More magnets. You should buy stock in the companies that make these. By the time we get this shop decorated, we'll have a fortune in magnets spent. That'll work. My problem was, is I worked a regular job, and the YouTube channel was just barely. Right. We're gonna put up the bottle opener for Blake. What do you think? Right about there? That looks straight? I think so. Excellent. Right in the trash can. That works.
You gotta stop damaging my side of the truck. Look at my light, brand new light. I put in for Memorial, and you destroyed it. You know how hard this is to put in?
Yeah, I got another one.
That's not the point. You destroyed my side. Yeah, we got one of those over here.
Lots of work to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was that way when I got the record. And that was because there was no fuel tank on this side. So someday we'll put a fuel tank in. We'll have dual tanks. And the switch valve works. I checked that out years ago. Hope it still works. Eventually we'll cut that off because we'll have a tank on this side.
You don't dent it, damage it.
But everybody benefits the better. So I just mentioned to him, Eric, that I've been working with Open Road. They are massively getting into the off-road segment, and they're sponsoring a pile of bigger YouTube channels.
Just to see if I can get one winch. I want to put one under the deck here for sure.
Yep.
And then, if they want one, to be exposed that will show up on video all the time, the front winch, I mean, not that we use it all the time, but that's right out there in the open.
Yep.
I don't want to cover up the GMC. Yep. That's just kind of my
Oh,
personal
totally.
thing, I mean.
Totally. Their 13,000 pound winch is smaller than that for sure.
And the one on the boom is hydraulic, and not everybody makes. I want to stick with the hydraulic. I love the duty cycle.
You can't beat that.
Yeah, you
No
can't.
way.
It's slow, but
yeah.
you aren't burning it up every other weekend. You aren't you aren't worried about stopping and waiting.
I'll send them an email on your behalf too, and talk about their ways for us to market their product as well.
Gene came up with the idea that since these other guys have got these side winches on and they're all playing around with it, and like I say, to me,
Are you talking about putting an electric one under there?
yeah.
Well, actually, put a receiver in here on both sides, and then you have the portable one and you have to plug in.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
I want to be able to use this winch up through a pulley off of here if I want to do it, if I need to do a double line recovery. If I'm dragging one up the side of a cliff and I want 2 lines on it, and have both lines coming off of the boom, you know, so I'm reaching out over the cliff, so I can do the, you know.
Yeah, jockey.
Right.
Yeah, you could probably do that easily.
Whatever one I mount back here, I want to be able to do that with, and you know, so the geometry has to work. The tool room is going to have brick facing. That's going to extend down this way. It's going to have brick facing. We can actually put a garage door in it, so it'll look like an old service station. You know.